Ryobi makes a lot of tools, and every year the biggest tool brands keep launching new products. Some improve on older models, while others are completely new additions. So here we've picked a few recent Ryobi tools that are a great place to start if you're looking to add something new to your toolbox this year. So stick around till the end, because I'm sure you'll find something you've been wanting for a while. All the mentioned tools links are in the description. Number 20. Ryobi Straight Finish Nailer. Forget compressors, hoses, and gas cartridges. This Ryobi 16 gauge finish nailer runs completely cordless with airstrike technology. Drive nails up to 2.5 inches deep, fire up to 1,000 nails per charge, and reach tight spots with its slim nose. Perfect for trim, molding, and any DIY project, because nothing says DIY hero like shooting nails without the extra gear. It has both speed and performance, and the innovative AccuDrive nose gives superior visibility for precise, accurate placement, even in the trickiest spaces. Number 19. Ryobi Reciprocating Saw. Next up, we've got the brand new Ryobi Reset Saw. It works best with the Edge 18-volt battery, but it will run on any 18-volt Ryobi battery. Ryobi is making these tools a bit more powerful, and this model comes with a rafter hook. Inside the box, you'll find the instructions and a blade. Interestingly, the rafter hook comes in a separate package. You attach it yourself using the 2 screws provided. The battery slides in the back, and the saw features a trigger, safety lock, and quick release on top. Keep in mind, there's no adjustable shoe, so you can't move it in or out. Number 18. Ryobi High Flow Pressure Washer. The Ryobi 1900 PSI pressure washer blasts dirt off decks, boats, and yes, even your neighbor's envy. With wheels, a telescoping handle, and onboard soap, it delivers portable power washing whenever you need it. A turbo nozzle is included for those tough jobs. While the 15-degree nozzle targets stubborn stains, the 25-degree handles general cleaning, and the 40-degree gives a gentle rinse. The included foamer applies thick soap for a deep, effective clean. Wash, rinse, brag, then store it vertically. Easy as that. Number 17. Ryobi Carpet Washer Kit. Forget hiring professionals or renting bulky machines. Make carpet cleaning easy with the Swift Clean Carpet and Rug Cleaner. Powered by Swift Clean technology, it lifts embedded dirt, grime, and stains for a deep, thorough clean on both carpets and rugs. Motion sense technology makes cleaning simple. Push forward to wash, pull back to dry. For stubborn spots, use spot mode for focused cleaning, and dry only mode helps speed up drying with minimal downtime. Number 16. Ryobi Hex SHANK Drill Pump. The Ryobi Hex SHANK Drill Pump is an easy and powerful way to move water quickly using any drill or impact driver. It can pump up to 10 gallons per minute and reach a height of 35 feet, making it great for emptying bathtubs, RV tanks, small pools, or other areas with unwanted water. It's mini and portable and simple to carry. You can also store it in your toolbox. Just attach it to your drill and you can transfer water from one place to another fast and easily. No complicated setup or extra equipment needed. Number 15. Ryobi Brushless Blower. It delivers more power than a 31 cubic centimeter gas blower without the hassle of gas. Its 40-volt HP technology combines a brushless motor, advanced electronics, and lithium power to produce 800 CFM at 180 miles per hour, making it great for tough leaves, damp debris, and compacted grass. Reach full throttle in under a second for instant power. With 2 modes, you can choose maximum power or longer runtime, achieving over 85 minutes of use with a 40-volt 8-amp-hour battery for fast and efficient cleanup. Number 14. Battery and Charger Kit. Experience ultimate freedom with one battery that powers over 225 tools. Drill, cut, trim, or light up your workspace effortlessly. Enjoy cordless convenience with fade-free power that rivals corded tools, so you can tackle any project anywhere. With up to 1.5 times longer runtime and rapid charging from 0 to full in under an hour, it's built for non-stop performance. Durable, efficient, and ready for any condition. Pure power, simplified. Number 13. Ryobi Power Scrubber. This one is a powerful handheld cleaning tool that tackles tough stains and grime. Telescoping from 38 to 51 inches, it reaches high and low areas with ease. Its 6-position articulating head lets you adjust the brush angle for the perfect clean. Runtime lasts up to 2 hours, and the IPX7 water resistance lets it stay submerged up to 3 feet for 30 minutes. Number 12. Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Clean smarter. With this compact yet powerful workshop vacuum cleaner, it can deliver up to 1,000 liters per minute of suction for your home, car, or workspace. Its slim nozzle reaches tight spots easily, while the 600 milliliter dust container with HEPA 11 filter ensures clean, mess-free disposal. Lightweight and compatible with 18-volt batteries, it's built for effortless handling and consistent performance. Your reliable companion for every cleaning task. Number 11. Ryobi Drain Auger Kit. This kit comes with a 50-foot cable, 2 ampere-hour battery, 18-volt charger, and handy accessories. Its variable speed dial makes it easy to power through the toughest clogs, while the adjustable base and pivoting drum let you set the angle for any drain. Quick change replaceable tips and drums add convenience for different tasks. Designed for drains up to 3 inches wide, the reinforced 50-foot cable resists kinking, making it simple to clear clogs. Number 10. 3-speed impact wrench. It can provide you both impressive power and precision. This cordless impact wrench packs a high torque motor with 400 Newton-meter force, making light work of stubborn bolts and nuts. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it offers great control for a variety of tasks. The half-inch square drive with a locking pin ensures secure socket attachment, while the included quarter-inch hex adapter allows bit compatibility. When paired with a 4.0 amp-hour battery, it can handle up to 100 wheel fittings on a single charge. Number 9. Ryobi 18-volt multi-tool. On demanding, take tasks effortlessly with this upgraded 18-volt cordless multi-tool, engineered for power, precision, and versatility. Delivering up to 20,000 oscillations per minute with minimal vibration, it ensures smooth, accurate results while reducing fatigue. The adjustable speed dial allows seamless cutting and sanding across materials like wood, metal, drywall, and plastic. An integrated LED light brightens dark areas, and the onboard wrench storage makes accessory changes quick and convenient. Number 8. Ryobi Lithium Charger. Here is a compact 2-in-1 solution for charging both your devices and USB lithium batteries. Charge small electronics like phones, tablets, smartwatches, and headphones, or power up your USB lithium batteries, all from one device. It can charge up to 3 USB lithium batteries in a row and delivers speeds up to 80% faster than a standard USB cable. With a universal USB-C input/output, recharging is simple wherever you are. Number 7. Fixed base router. Experience fast, powerful cutting with this versatile tool reaching 20,000 to 30,000 RPM. The variable speed dial ensures precise control for a wide range of applications, while its compact ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use. Easily adjust depth with the micro adjustment dial and quick release lever, and remove the base effortlessly. The battery and charger are sold separately. Shipped in bulk packaging, this tool arrives in a generic package without retail boxing. Number 6. String Trimmer. This cordless trimmer works with all compatible 18-volt batteries and chargers. The pivoting head allows precise edging, while the variable speed trigger gives full control over cutting. Featuring a durable 0.080-inch line and an auto-feed head, it eliminates the need for bumping. Easily adjust the cutting width from 11 inches to 13 inches for versatile trimming around your yard. Number 5. Cordless Jig Saw. This versatile saw features adjustable orbital settings to match power to your cutting needs, while a non-marring shoe protects surfaces. The variable speed trigger allows precise control, and the base tilts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees left or right for angled cuts. Enjoy fast, accurate cutting at up to 3,000 SPM, tool-free blade changes for convenience, and an onboard LED work light to illuminate your workspace for improved visibility. Number 4. Hammer Drill. The 18-volt brushless cordless 1/2-inch hammer drill in yellow. This high-performance drill delivers powerful, efficient drilling for all your DIY and professional projects. Compact and cordless for maximum mobility, it features a brushless motor for longer runtime and durability. Ideal for wood, metal, masonry, and general construction tasks, this hammer drill provides reliable power in a lightweight, easy-to-handle design. Number 3. Orbit Buffer. Upgrade your 18-volt 1 plus system with this 10-inch variable speed random orbit buffer. It can buff a full-sized vehicle with up to 2.5 hours of runtime. The variable speed dial lets you adjust up to 3,600 OPM for precise control, while the random orbit motion ensures a smooth, swirl-free finish. The multi-grip design provides ultimate comfort and control, making every project easier and more efficient. Number 2. Gal Sprayer. This electrostatic sprayer makes disinfecting and cleaning effortless with battery-powered convenience. Compact and lightweight, it allows comfortable one-handed operation. The on-off switch activates electrostatic technology for maximum coverage, or can be deactivated for conventional spraying. Spray up to 30 tanks per charge, and choose between low, medium, and high settings for droplets reaching 2 to 10 feet. Its 1/2 gallon translucent tank allows easy refills, while the 3-in-1 adjustable nozzle delivers precise application. Number 1. Hedge Trimmer. This 18-volt cordless hedge trimmer is perfect for keeping hedges neat and tidy around your home. Combining powerful performance with a lightweight, compact design, it's comfortable and easy for anyone to use. Equipped with 22-inch dual-action blades and a 3/4-inch cutting capacity, it tackles even the toughest hedges. The wraparound front handle and rotating rear handle offer precision and control, making angled cuts simple and efficient every time. That's all for today. There's a lot more on this channel, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more. Thank you for watching.